Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have zero makeup on, and that is because we have our Boxycharm unboxing, and I will be trying everything on my face. This is for the month of February 2019. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm it is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month, and you get anywhere between 4 to 6 full-size products each month, and the box is always worth so much more than the $21 that you pay. So if you want to see what I got, let's just get right into it. So you open it up, and the first thing I see is this sheet. It says Afterglow. Now I did already have a peek at this just so I knew kind of what to have on my face before we started. So the first thing is by Pharmacy. It is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I did use this to wash my face. I didn't do that on camera because, well, I'm not gonna bring everything upstairs to the bathroom and film myself washing my face. Anyways, this retails for $22. The next thing I see is one of my favorite primers. It is the No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul. I'm going to keep this one closed for now because I have one. And as you can see, I'm getting quite the dent in it. So I'm so happy to have a backup. But I'm going to use the one I already have open. And we're going to squirt some onto the back of my hand. It is a really nice consistency, this stuff. So I'm just going to rub this into my skin. I love how this feels on my skin. It feels really nice. Makes my skin feel soft. So I'm going to press this into my skin. And so I'm gonna jump off camera and do my foundation and stuff because, well, there's none of that in this box. So I'm just gonna go, and I'm back, and I have the rest of my face somewhat done. I forgot to tell you the price of the primer. It is worth $18. The next thing I have is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This retails for $24. I have used this mascara. I love this mascara. I will apply it right now for you all to see. So let's get my trusty little mirror out. I love the shape of the wand. It is like a fluffy bristle wand. And I don't know, I like these kinds of wands. Alright, so yes, the mascara is good. I love it. I've used it several times. Anyways, moving on. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan Highlighter in Sparkling Sass. Now, when I did first open my box, this was completely shattered. I did kind of repress it. You can see the mess that it made. I'm going to quickly put a blush on because I feel really weird with no blush. All right, I have some blush on my cheeks. Now I don't feel so weird. I feel like I got some color. Anyways, we were talking about the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. This retails for $32. Again, mine came completely shattered, a mess all in the box. I tried to repress it as best as I could. I did email Boxycharm and I let them know that it came broken. That is what it looks like. And there it is on the back of my hand. It looks like a really pretty highlighter. It's like goldish tones. Anyways, I'm going to use my little Sephora Pro Fan number 62 brush. I'm going to dip it into that highlighter. And we're just gonna see what this does. Well, it's not like overly blinding. Let's build it up a bit. Right, it's a pretty highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty. Let's match up this side here. And we all know that I gotta do my nose. Because, well, I gotta have my nose highlighted. I don't know why. You know, I actually quite like that highlight. It's not super blinding, but it's nice. I thought it was gonna be too dark, too gold, but it is not. So, I'm happy for that. I'm sad that it came broken, but I don't know. I emailed them. Maybe I'll get another one sent to me and I can go on a giveaway for one of you guys because I repressed my other one. Anyways, the last thing in the box is by Trace. It is the Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This retails for $25. So, oh look, it says primer inside. So this, oh look, that thing comes off and there's a teensy tiny little primer there. So, I don't know, let's put it on the lips. I don't know. It feels like old chapstick. And this is what it looks like. It's a nice berry reddish kind of shade. So I did a neutral eye so I could match a lip to it. It's a weird shape. It's going on nicely though. It's not as deep as I was expecting. Because when you look at it in here, it looks pretty deep. On the lips, it looks more pinkish. It feels creamy. Oh, I like that. It's like magnetized. I like that. That's fun. Oh my goodness, I can play with that. I like that. Kudos on the packaging. The color, oh, it's nice. It is not gonna be transfer proof. It looks more glossy. But you know what, right now, with my lips being as chapped as they are, this is great. Anyways, guys, that is everything in my box. So for $21, I got $120 worth of products. So yeah, all in all, you know, it's a decent box this month. Not my favorite. You know, I really like this primer. I'm super stoked to be able to have a backup. This Too Faced Better in Sex mascara is amazing. I'm enjoying the highlighter, even though it came shattered. The face wash was nice. Nothing, you know, extraordinary about it. And the lippy is also nice. Is it a color that I'll wear on a daily basis? No. But I will, you know, create the occasional look where this color will come in handy. Anyways, guys, that is it for this month's box. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then you know you got to hit the bell. Also, if you haven't checked out my giveaway, I have a giveaway going on right now. I'll leave a link somewhere up in here-ish. And you can click on it and it'll send you right to the giveaway. Follow the rules, enter, and yes, until next time, hope you all have a fabulous day.